money acting and all that, man, and raise these children. You know what I mean? If y'all not together, fine. You know what I'm saying? Don't put the children in the midst of all that. You know what I mean? You got a new man, he got a new woman. Hey, man, the babies ain't got nothing to do with none of that. Let them children have the both of y'all. Because that's what it's going to take, and that's what is going to be needed. They need both